Good morning, everyone. We're up early here in San Francisco. I don't think I ever adjusted to any of the time zones. So I think we're just gonna stroll around a bit. Hotel checkout actually isn't even until noon, which is perfect because my flight leaves the airport at 3. So I'm probably gonna come back to the hotel about, 10, 11 o'clock and grab all my stuff from there and get a car into the airport. So yeah, I'm just strolling around right now. Maybe look for a good place to get breakfast. The cable cars start at 7:30, right about now. But I don't know if I necessarily want to take the cable car all the way into Fisherman's Wharf again. The cable cars do cost about $8 one way, so it's much more of a attraction than a convenient means of transportation. So just to do a little wayfinding here, the Axiom Hotel is only about 2.5 blocks from Union Square. So Union Square could serve as a nice little transit hub for you if you stay at the Axiom. And you can kind of get anywhere you want to be from here. So now we're in Union Square, and you can see behind me, Macy's has put together a little Christmas display. Looks great. Looks like they have a little ice rink over there too. But yeah, the city's just starting to wake up. It is a weekday, so most of these people are on their way to the office, and we're just kind of roaming around, see what's going on. So I wanted to mention this as well. San Francisco is one of the few places that's requiring proof of vaccination to go in a restaurant or a venue right now. So if you do come here soon, or within the time of this video, make sure that you have that with you. Just a simple card is fine. Or if you're a California resident, I believe there's an app that they're using. Alright, so I just picked up some breakfast here at Moes Cafe, and that's at Stevenson and 5th here in San Francisco, right by Market Street. So, Moes has all sorts of different stuff. You can get chorizo scramble in there. You can get corned beef hash. All sorts of different stuff. I got a salmon scramble, so it's actually a scrambled eggs dish with salmon in it. So we'll see how that is. I'm just going to walk back to the hotel to eat it there. So let's take a look at our breakfast. So we've got a sourdough toast, hash browns, scrambled eggs with hollandaise, and there's dried tomatoes, onions, and a few other things in there in addition to the salmon. So it looks great. I'm sure it'll taste great. Alright guys, I think we're going to close out here. We've had a great time here in San Francisco, even though it was only about not even 24 hours. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the huge cross-country adventure we just completed. But we're going to be on our way back to Boston today. I'm going to have a car pick us up in probably about an hour, and gotta get the camera gear all packed up. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.